Yo dudes! Welcome to Indian Curry Tacos.
This is an epic recipe where we blend together and form a perfect marriage of two separate countries and cuisines to form
a cacophony of world-class flavors. Yes!
Coming at you in 5 minutes.
Woo! 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, pan on high heat. I've had mine going already, sorry, I'm honest about it. In goes 1 tablespoon of oil.
Take knife, two red onions.
2 very small red onions or one
So
medium
one large
size
one, just chop them finely. I'm chopping them to half moons.
with our new knife. Wow, the suspense, this is so exciting, Steve.
I have 3 cloves of garlic.
Yeah, I'm gonna whack the onions in the pan, get a bit of sizzle going. Okay, so a little quick disclaimer before we start. You will probably say, this is in 5 minutes, but there's 2 of you guys. Yeah, we know that.
So it might
and
take
there might
you
only
10
be one of
minutes.
you. Might take you 10 minutes or even 15 minutes, but hey, it's still a quick dinner.
Yeah, the whole purpose is just to show that healthy food can be quick, tasty and delicious.
Wow, great sales pitch, Steve.
Thanks. So we've 1 red chilli. This is a sun-dried red chilli from our friend Naomi Duke's sun-dried chilli farm. So in it goes, we're leaving the seeds in. Take the seeds out if you don't.
What Stephen's really saying is we just left the chilli sitting out there and it kind of dried by itself.
There you are. Okay, in on top of that, we've 1 can of black beans. We've drained and rinsed them. That's a 400 gram can that was drained and rinsed. Similar volume of chickpeas.
So really it's just 2 tins of beans, whatever kind of type you have in the press.
And 200 grams of frozen peas. Or whatever type of a green, quick cooking vegetable that you have.
Yeah, the peas are just to kind of give a good pop of colour.
In on top of this, we want our time to add our spices. We want to keep this really simple and democratic. So we have 2 tablespoons of just medium curry powder.
Beautiful.
In it goes.
And I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of black pepper just for a nice little bit of pop.
This is the top tip. So with the taco, you want to make sure that your curry sits inside of it. It's not too runny. We're adding in 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Add it in at this point because it's just going to cook off that tense of raw flour note.
So it's just any kind of flour, Steve, is that right?
Yeah, if you do have rice, it binds together well, it's gluten free, but whatever flour you have works great.
So 3 tablespoons of flour.
Yeah.
Good top tip.
Okay, just give it a good mix and let it cook through there for 30 seconds.
Looks good, yeah. Good,
Happy?
good to go. Good to go for you.
Okay, can of chopped tomatoes, in it goes.
Beautiful. 1 400 gram tin. I don't know what that is in American measurements, sorry.
Yeah, excuse our ignorance.
Woo!
1 full fat can of coconut milk.
Okay.
If you're counting calories, go with low fat, but full fat will give you a creamier, more thicker curry for your taco.
Tacos. And if you are looking for a Mexican taco, I think we shot a video for that already. So just,
Nice.
I know this is an Indian curry taco, but... Okay, so you'll see it kind of thicken up now nicely.
So I'm putting in some fresh cilantro, or coriander as it's known in our country. If you don't like coriander, leave it out, but replace it with like flat parsley or something
Rice
like
flour
that.
is cool, it makes it
Yeah,
super
really
thick.
thickens it up, because if anyone doesn't know what a taco is, this is a taco as we call it, a taco. So you do need quite a kind of thick curry or thick kind of dish to fit through it. We're going to serve it with a little bit of soy yogurt. How are we doing time-wise?
Probably a minute left or something.
Well, this is easy, isn't it? Yeah, 1 minute.
1 minute 52, nailed
hyper
it.
efficient.
Okay, I wanted to ask a question to you
Juice
guys.
of half a lime, and it goes.
Quick question for you. So we're going to plan out a bit of content for the next month. We shoot these videos genuinely for you to try to inspire you to eat more fruit and veg and try to make it more accessible, vegan, healthy, plant-based cooking. So if you want to leave a comment with any suggestions of what videos you'd like us to shoot, because this is genuinely, these are for you. So anything you'd like to see or for your friends, leave a comment down below, please and thank you.
Okay, time to season her. I'm going with a little pinch of salt.
Beauty.
And then time to add our umami note. So I'm using tamari. If you don't have tamari, you could use soy sauce. Tamari has 7 times less sodium than salt. Did you know? So
And,
I'm putting 3 tablespoons.
If you've been watching these videos, you know that I love tamari, I really do. And it's just got a more aged, kind of rounder flavour to it. So it's really
Beautiful.
nice. Yeah. Wow, geez, the rice flour makes it so dense. It's great. Okay, so we're inside the final minute. It's cooked down really nice and thick.
So ideally, you want to hit this kind of thicker texture so that it'll remain in the taco.
Okay, so I bought these tacos in the supermarket. They're pre-done. If you want bigger tacos, just use wholemeal wraps. And you can just fry them on both sides and form a taco that way.
So in it goes. I'm going to put a little bit more coriander on the top. I love coriander.
40 seconds left,
Okay,
Mr.
right,
Flynn,
here we
40
go, right.
seconds.
Okay, here we go. So in it goes. You see, it's important that you do hit that thickness so it does stay in perfectly.
Beautiful.
A little bit of soy yogurt on the top, or yogurt of choice.
And I'm going to put a little sprinkle of chili flakes just for a bit of final fury.
Okay, nice.
This is the blend
24 seconds, 23, can they do it?
blend of when Mexico met India.
Pretty cool.
And they went on a beautiful hot day.
Just to show you there before you finish it. Look at that. Talk about an interesting
16 seconds. Indian curry tacos. Wow, cool. This one's really nice. Good topical one.
I love that curry.
Wow, that's banging.
In Ireland, after going to the pub, we used to go out and you get a thing called curry chips, and it just tastes so like curry chips. It is beautiful. It tastes like a belly hug.
There you have it, 5 minutes up. I reckon it'd take you 10 or 15 at home. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy.
And it's delicious. Really, really
as I
great.
was saying, if you can leave comments of any videos you'd like us to do, because we really love your help and we really appreciate your support in this channel. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and
Ciao!
love. Ciao!
Hasta luego. Gracias.